Stop wasting your time writing code line by line. Now, if you wanted to build something like this without any AI tool, how long would it take you? 30 minutes? An hour? Maybe more? Let me show you how to build it in under 1 minute. Using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, design a modern, responsive 4x4 grid of interactive clothing product cards with a clean e-commerce style. Each card should include product image with hover zoom, title that changes color on hover, line description, current price, add to cart button with basket icon, rotates on click, visual badges, new, sale, limited, star ratings. Use vibrant accent colors on white backgrounds. Every 2 cards should share a unique color scheme for button and price. Give me the best design you have.